Good Morning Britain star Kate Garraway spoke about her terrifying ordeal last night, as she and her children got caught on the motorway after she lost control of the car when a tire exploded. She had been attending a socially distanced gathering in Kent and was driving back to London with her two children, Darcy, 14, and Billy, 11, when the freak accident happened. It was Kate's first road trip with Hot Family since her husband Derek was hospitalized with coronavirus symptoms. She said, "There's a phrase, that God and the universe don't send you anything you can't deal with it. I'm at my limit. I'm at my absolute limit, so if the universe could give me a minute." Read more related articles. She added, "I've never had it before. It's something you actually dread. It's the first time I've been out with the kids leaving London. We were going to meet some friends in Kent. On the way back it suddenly exploded. I couldn't control the car, weird steering, smoke and rubber everywhere. I managed to pull over, but it just happened to be where there was no hard shoulder. Read more related articles. Kate revealed that they were rushing home because her parents were coming for a visit, and also she wanted to get back to London to check on her husband Derek. Derek has been in a minimum state of consciousness for weeks, after being taken out of a medically induced coma, which he had been placed under to help recover from coronavirus symptoms. Kate told her co-host Ben Shepherd that she was told by hospital nurses that Derek was watching GMB with focused eyes, but didn't say if it was when she was on TV or Ben. They were so brilliant and got us to safety, and we are now on way home in taxi, shaken but safe, tow truck on way to car. It's first time have taken kids out without Derek too, but we are safe and will update you fully on at GMB with at Ben Shepherd official tomorrow from 6 a.m. MGMB continues tomorrow at 6 a.m. on ITV.